Okay, North American Auto Equipment. We've just installed these two Universalift 8000 FP XLT models for a customer here. He built the shop with an extra high ceiling, and as you can see, they ran the door tracks close to the ceiling up top to leave that extra space. And we've got the two units in here getting ready for some restoration projects that are going on in storage. So if you need a lift, give us a shout, and we'll get it on the schedule and get you out. We'll get your product delivered and installed. And the great thing about us is, unless the customer wrestles with us, which we bring the trash with us when we leave. So all of that trash is from the packaging. That's going to come with us on the truck. Some cool old cars they're going to be bringing inside to work on there. And hot rod Dodge over there. Thank you.